Meet the African penguin, nature's tuxedo-wearing agent of chaos. He looks classy, but he smells like fermented fish. Found exclusively on the southern tip in Africa, it's the only place with enough beaches for their awkward waddle. Here is the survival rate. See that tiny slice? That's the 10% that make it to adulthood. The rest, snacks. Let's look at the build. HP, abysmal. Attack stat, a joke. But charisma, off the charts. That's the strategy. Phase 1, the egg. Sitting in a luxurious nest made of literal dried poop. It keeps things cool. And hatch. Look at that face. A face only a mother with poor eyesight could love. Co-parenting is key. Mom and dad take shifts. One guards the ugly fluff ball, the other goes to fetch sushi. The baby's primary function is to scream until food falls into its face hole. It's a simple life. First steps, graceful. Elegant. Aerodynamic, barely. Physics is not their friend yet. Danger, kelp gulls. They love an unattended snack. This is why we have trust issues. To survive, they form a creche, basically a kindergarten gang, where safety is found in numbers.
Finally, the ugly sweater comes off. They trade the fuzz for the waterproof tuxedo. It's go time. Welcome to the grind. First challenge, the ocean. It's cold, wet, and full of teeth. Geronimo, no turning back now. Suddenly, he's not a clumsy idiot. He's a hydrodynamic missile. Look at him go! Menu for today, anchovies. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet if you can catch the buffet. Swallowed whole, no chewing. Table manners are non-existent here. But back on land, Africa is hot. Wearing a black suit in the sun? Terrible design choice. See that pink eyeshadow? It's not fashion, it's a radiator for their blood. Biological air conditioning. Also, they don't chirp, they bray like donkeys. Romantic, right? Oh, look, a jellyfish. Wait, no, that's a grocery bag. Thanks, humans. Oil spills. Because surviving predators wasn't hard enough, let's add a sticky bath to the mix.
Once a year, they explode. It's called catastrophic molting. They can't swim. They just stand there and itch. New suit, who dis? Back in black and ready to re-enter the arena. Wait, the music just changed. Why do I hear boss music? The African fur seal. Fast, heavy, and considers penguin a delicacy. Run! He hits the gas, flaps moving at 60 miles per hour, metaphorically. The penguin has deader turning radius. The seal turns like a semi-truck. Too slow, missed by a feather. Player 3 has entered the game. Great white shark. Now it's a party. It's a food chain conga line. Everyone is running for their life. Eject! Eject! Nailed the landing. Absolute perfection. 10 out of 10. The seal gives up. Too much effort. He'll go find a slower snack. And that is how you survive the 10%. Pure luck and slippery feathers. The African penguin, an endangered, clumsy, loud miracle of nature. Long may they waddle. They need our help. Or at least, they need us to stop throwing plastic at them. Who is next on the chopping block? The psychopath honey badger or the depressed blobfish? Cast your vote in the comments. Smash that subscribe button like a seal smashing a... Never mind, just click it.